In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Ads account. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can get started without confusion. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a modern web browser, and a Google account you'd like to use for advertising. If you're doing this for a business, make sure you're signed into the correct work account before you begin, so everything stays organized under the right profile. First, head to the official Google Ads site. In your browser's address bar, type the Google Ads URL or search for Google Ads and choose the official result from Google. You'll know you're in the right place when you see Google's branding and the message about reaching customers and selling more with online advertising. Take a moment to confirm you're on a secure Google domain by checking for the padlock icon and the google.com address. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're entering information in the right place. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and select Sign In. This is your doorway into the account setup. If you're already signed into your browser, you may be prompted to pick from your existing Google accounts. Choose the one you intend to use for ads. If you're not signed in yet, enter your Google account credentials and complete any two-step verification your account requires. Using two-step verification is a good practice to keep your advertising data and billing info safe. After you sign in, you'll be taken into the Google Ads experience. From here, Google will guide you with on-screen prompts to complete your account setup. The interface may ask for a few details to personalize your experience and prepare your workspace. Don't worry if the dashboard looks new. Google's guided flow is designed to help first-time users understand the basics at a comfortable pace. If you're on a smaller screen or using a mobile device and don't see the sign-in option, try widening your window or switching to a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. A few quick tips before you dive deeper. Use a single primary Google account for ads to keep access and billing straightforward. If you manage accounts for a team, confirm you're using the account with the correct permissions. And if you run into a sign-in loop, a quick browser refresh or trying an incognito window often clears it up. That's it. By going to the official site and selecting Sign In, you've successfully begun the Google Ads account setup. In the next steps within the platform, you'll be guided through the rest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.